doing here? Again! Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a cute little baby kitty cat. Cute little baby kitty. What should we call her? She is so adorable. And she's stretchy too. Oh, wow. It looks like she's sleeping. Shh. Such a cute kitty. What's inside her? Biggie. Biggie, you really need to see what's inside this cute little kitty cat. She's so cute. Well, let's see if she can dance. Ooh, she feels so neat. Yes, she does. Ooh, let's cut her open. Cut off the cute little kitty paw. Oh my, what's inside? Ew, it's like hard slime inside of the kitty cat. Oh look, she went right back. That was interesting. Let's cut off her head. It's more hard slime. See, Biggie? Doesn't it look really neat? Okay, let's put her back together. Oh, she's still a cute kitty cat. Oh my, I can't believe, I always wondered what was inside the cute little kitty cats like this one. Well, if you like this video down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my silly elves on the shelf.